Hi, we're here today to talk about BWise 7x14 dump trailers. This is a heavy-duty model. It is a dual-cylinder, 14,000 GVWR. Comes standard with an adjustable coupler, which is not only nice because you can adjust it up and down, you also get your choice between a ball coupler or a pintle ring. Heavy jack on this model is also standard. Nice toolbox with a gas shock, and here's where your battery and your hydraulics are. Your control. Dual cylinders, power up, gravity down, which is good because it's only using your battery going up. Gravity down doesn't use your battery. And underneath you can see where the ramps are. They stow away underneath in those channels. Stake pockets all the way around so you can add sides to it if you would like to, wood sides, or BWise also sells metal sides. This model's wheels, 16-inch tires. This is the model that has a 20-inch high sides. It's also available on the 44-inch high sides, if we'll look at that one too. Combo gate that splits and dumps. And then ladder ramps pull out underneath. They hang on that channel, that ramp hanger, and they adjust side to side for different widths. So this one is the same trailer, 7x14, but it's got the 44-inch high side. Still has the same heavy jack, the adjustable coupler, the nice toolbox with the gas shock, all your stake pockets. It still has the ramps underneath, but when you go to the 44-inch high side, you don't have the combo gate because it would be too heavy. You have barn doors. It opens the same way. It splits in the middle. The ramps slide out underneath. Along with the ramps to load your equipment, we also have 4 D-rings so you can tie it down to.